it's Wellness Wednesday. I'm Jonna. I'm a therapist and our marketing director here at Omaha Integrative Care. Today I'm joined by the lovely Dandi. She does so many things here. I'm not even going to try to tell you all her titles, but she's going to be sharing with us about a retreat that she's going to be doing in October, on October 13th. But I want to do a couple quick announcements before that. We have a lot of new stuff going on here at OIC. So the first thing I want to share is we have a new med provider. Her name is Kayla. So if you are looking for a psych examination or some medication management, we've got a new person on our team. So you can always call our front desk and get scheduled with Kayla. She's great. Also coming up in October, we have a new yoga class coming to our schedule on Thursdays at 6 to 7. We have Restore You. This is a restorative yoga class with Tracy. So restorative yoga is very relaxing, slow, gentle. It's a really great thing to do in the evening, get you kind of settled from your busy day. So that starts on 10/10, October 10th. That's with Tracy, 6 to 7 on Thursdays. Also coming up in October, we have another one of our really awesome yoga workshops. So if you are a yoga teacher, this is a really great CE. If you're in our yoga teacher training program, this is a really great option for your kind of build your own curriculum. The one that we have coming up in October is all about Ayurveda and yoga practices for balancing kind of your mind and body and harmonizing with the seasons. So some really cool practices. That's going to be with Carol Westerman on October 19th and 20th. It's a weekend, so a Saturday, Sunday. So both of those things, the Ayurveda workshop and our yoga class, you can always go to our website to sign up or get more information on those. And with that, I want to turn it over to Dandi, who's going to talk to us about her retreat, which is going to be on October 13th, which is Sunday. So Dandi, talk to us about what you're going to be doing.
Yeah, so the retreat will start with some intentional tea drinking and just sort of setting some intentions for the experience, sort of gathering around for a sense of community, and being able to just sort of decompress from the busyness of life. So yeah, we'll start with some tea drinking. There will be some gentle stretching. We'll also do a little embodied dancing. So I've got some fun tunes for us to just sort of intuitively move to. And then we'll end with some more restorative yoga practices and a sound bath. So yeah, it'll be just a nice little mini retreat from 1 to 3 on October the 13th. Yeah, just an opportunity to rest and relax.
That sounds so nice. I love all of those things, and how cool that you get to like put them all together in this nice little mini retreat. 2 hours is like a really nice like gift to give yourself to come and rest and connect with others, and have some tea, do a little dancing, do some sound bath. If you have not experienced sound bath here at OIC, I really recommend it. Dandi teaches 2 classes during the week that incorporate sound bath into them, but she also does private sound bath. It's magical. So for that retreat, again, you can go to our website to sign up for that or find us on Mind Body. So again, one more time, that is October 13th on Sunday from 1 to 3. And what's the cost for that?
I believe it's $40.
That sounds right to me too. Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, we're going to do these once a month just to give you a heads up on things coming up at OIC, exciting events like this, new providers, new classes, all the things. We've got new stuff happening all the time. So I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.